Dapat may bayad dito eh. Yan.
Ano to? Ate Tingni! Ate Tingni! Hindi. Kaya ko sa tubig mo?
Hindi, may nado sa baba. Sana Natatakot ako habang may video eh.
Nahulog yung cellphone mo.
Okay. This is the roof. Mababa na ako. Ay. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wait. Ay, naka-video. Wait. Okay, this is the second floor. There is this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Dito siguro alagay yung kurente nyo. Yeah. Stair upstairs. This our bathroom. So small. Can't breathe. My gosh. My room. Oh, kay Aris na kwarto. Bakit parang feeling ko mas malaki yung kay Aris? Okay. Ito yung kwarto ng mag-asawa. Yan. As you can see, there are many woods. Ano yan? Okay. Wait. There is this terrace. See that? Ay po. Ayoko na. Dapat may bayad talaga ito. Wait lang. Yes. There's that. Ay, mamatay ako din eh. There is this window to the bathroom. Oh my gosh. Ayoko na. Okay, we're gonna go down. This is the stairs. Yes. This is the first floor. There we go. It's big. Ayan. Kung gusto nyo patayo, di patayo. Ayan. Ayan. Now we're gonna go to the bathroom. There is no current electricity, but there are many holes of the light. Dito ka tatae. Tapos dito ka maliligo. Amazing. Yan, may... Tapos may paganto pa siya. Hey! There's the light. Let's go. This is the guest room, I think. Yes, the guest room. Saan? Ba't parang may nabubuhay na hindi? Ay, ayun! Sangi. Ayan! Kaya pala parang may nabubuhay. Eh, di wag. Let's go to the boarding houses. Ay, mamaya na baka hindi need yun.